How to contact Yahoo Mail by phone? You just have to follow these simple steps. So let's get started. Open your Yahoo Mail application. To contact Yahoo Mail support by phone, you can utilize the Yahoo Plus support service, which offers 24/7 live assistance for technical issues related to Yahoo Mail and other Yahoo products. Here is how you can reach them. You have to access Yahoo Plus support. You have to tap Yahoo Plus icon from top of the screen. Yahoo Phone support is a part of premium service requiring a subscription. Click on the subscribe or get button. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete your subscription. After subscribing, you will receive a confirmation email containing the support phone number. Alternatively, you can find the number by visiting the Yahoo Plus support page and signing in. Dial the phone number provided. Be prepared to verify your account information for security purposes. Explain your issue to the support specialist for assistance. You have to be cautious of unofficial support numbers found online, as they may be scams. And this is how you can contact Yahoo Mail by phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.